Hi folks. So in our last tutorial, I showed you how you can now add products automatically into the Timesact app by creating a tag like in here in tag automations, and then just applying this tag to your product that you want to set on pre-order. So naturally the question then becomes, okay, if I can add it automatically by my tag, can I also remove the product from the app automatically if I remove the tag? And the answer is yes, that is possible. So you'll notice here when you create the tag inside of Timesact, at the bottom here, there's an option with advanced settings that says remove tag revert settings. So we had this set to true for the tag that we created last time, which means that if I remove the tag from the product, it should also remove the products from the app. So let's go here. We'll see we have the products, they're added, they're active on the store. And now if I go back into Shopify and I just remove the pre-order tag I had added previously and hit save here, then I would expect for these products to be, and they're already removed from the app. So please bear in mind that you have that option when you are creating the tag inside of Timesact. Thanks.